Hello everybody, in this lesson I will explain two typical exam questions that you can expect on the quadratic sequence. Example 1. The following sequence 10 minus 3y semicolon 7 semicolon 15 semicolon 8y plus 1 is a quadratic sequence. Determine the value of y. So I jotted down the sequence for you there. Now, to find the value of y, we're first going to work out the first difference. So the first difference will be 7 minus bracket 10 minus 3y and 15 minus 7 and 8y plus 1 minus 15. Then I'm going to multiply in the negative there and I find minus 3 plus 3y semicolon 15 minus 7 is 8 and 8y plus 1 minus 15 will give you 8y minus 14. Then you can say that the second difference d2 is equal to the second difference d2 because it was given that this is a quadratic sequence. Now I'm going to work out the second difference and I'm going to equate them. So d2 will be, if you look at your sequence, it's going to be 8 minus bracket negative 3 plus 3y, and that one is equal to 8y minus 14 minus 8, and we equate them because it is a quadratic sequence and they are both d2, that is a constant. Then I'm going to solve y. So first of all I'm going to multiply in this negative and it becomes on the left hand side 11 minus 3y, and on the right hand side 8y, and negative 14 negative 8 is negative 22. Now I'm going to solve y. So I will take the negative 3 across and I will bring the negative 22 to the left hand side, and I end with 33 is equal to 11y, and if I solve y I find y is equal to 3. Example 2. A brick pattern is formed using squares. Determine how many squares will be required for the 20th figure in this sequence. The 20th. Therefore, we are looking for Tn. And n is 20. Now, first of all, let's count the squares. I did it for you. Figure 1, there's 12. Figure 2, there's 20. Figure 3, there's 30. Figure 4, there's 24. So do you agree it forms a sequence? 12, 20, 30, 42. Now we have to decide whether this sequence is linear or quadratic. Let's work out the first difference. The first difference will be 20 minus 12 is 8. 30 minus 20 is 10. 42 minus 30 is 12. And now you can see that the first difference is not constant. Let's work out the second difference. The second difference will be 10 minus 8 is 2. 12 minus 10 is 2. Therefore, there is a constant second difference and our sequence is quadratic. Now that we know our sequence is quadratic, let's work out a formula for the general term. We start with the help formula. 2a is equal to the first second difference, and the first second difference is 2. Therefore, 2a equals 2. Let's solve a. A is equal to 1. The next help formula is 3a plus b is the first difference, and the first difference is 8. In A's place here, we're going to substitute 1. Therefore, B is equal to 5. And then the third help formula, term 1 is A plus B plus C. Term 1 is 12. A's value is 1, B's value is 5. Therefore, C's value is 6. And then we can say Tn is equal to n squared plus 5n plus 6. So that formula is the formula for the general term of the sequence. What are we looking for? Determine how many squares will be required for the 20th term. So that means we're going to work out T20. In n's place, we're going to substitute 20. And when we work that out, we find T20 is equal to 506 squares. In the next video, I will discuss 2 more exam questions on the quadratic sequence. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson. Have you subscribed yet? And please like my video.